Laissez les bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Welcome to Live from the Camper, Mardi Gras edition. Well, this is going to be a 3-part video. So first, we're going to start with the sausage and chicken gumbo. Then, we're going to make the Zatarains, and then the Raging Cajun chicken. Well, are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. All right, let's get this party started. I hit the saute button and already heated up the unit. So add a tablespoon of olive oil. Drop in 1.5 pounds of chicken and 1/2 pound of andouille sausage. Let's cook that for about 6 minutes. Well, you have about 5 minutes left, so get on Facebook, go over to groups, and find the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. That's our group page. That's where we share all of these recipes and pictures, and we want you to come do the same. Okay? Come on over. Well, don't worry about getting a piece of paper and a pen and trying to write down everything I say and all the ingredients. I'll have it listed down below in the description, okay? So let's take the meat out and put it in a bowl. A clean bowl. Use a slotted spoon so all them juices stay in there. All right, set that meat aside and let's make that roux. Go ahead and drop in a stick of butter. Get out your whisk. Get that butter all melted. Then we're going to drop in our flour and whisk it up until it turns to the color of about peanut butter. All right, are you ready? We're going to do a lot of whisking now because if it burns, you got to start over. Let's drop in that flour. And now whisk. Whisk, 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 whisk. Now, if you want to give it a saltier, smokier flavor, use bacon droppings. Bacon drippings. If you want a lighter flavor, use oil. If you want creamier, use butter. It's almost to the color of peanut butter. Taking about 5 minutes. All right, that looks good to me. So now let's drop in 1 diced up bell pepper, 1 medium onion, and 2 stalks of celery, otherwise known as the Holy Trinity of Cajun cooking. And we're just gonna cook that up for about 5 minutes. Move over this. There we go. At this point, go ahead and drop in 2 tablespoons of garlic. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Sorry. That's why I told you don't write it down. I'll put it in the description. It'll be right there. All right, let's go ahead and turn the pressure cooker off. Did I get it? Yep. Let's go ahead and add 4 cups of chicken broth. By the way, 1 box is 4 cups. All right. Let's add in 1.5 cups of okra. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, tablespoon of Creole seasoning of your choice, and 2 teaspoons of thyme. Let's mix that up. Let's add some fresh cracked pepper. I like to hit with a couple shots of hickory smoke, 1 can of diced tomatoes, don't forget your meat. Now I'm allergic to shrimp, but my wife shouldn't have to suffer because of that. So after I make up this gumbo, I'll put a little gumbo off to the side for her. I'll saute up some shrimp, throw it in her gumbo for her. Put your pressure lid on, hit it to seal, and pressure cook for 5 minutes. All right, the timer went off. Let's do a quick release. All right, the red pins drop. Let's see what we got. Oh, the smell is amazing. Look at that. All thick and bubbly. That's gonna be so good. Well, after I started the pressure cooker, I realized I forgot to put in the bay leaves. You have to put in 2 bay leaves. So I stopped it, threw in 2 bay leaves, and started it again. Now, go fishing. Get those bay leaves out of there. There's 1. Huh. And there's the other one. All right, get you a bowl, put a little rice in there, however you want to make your rice, and then pour that gumbo around it. Look at that. That looks amazing. Then I cut up a little tri-colored peppers. I'm just gonna put it over the top. Now it looks like a party. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Now let's give it a try. Oh yeah. That is fantastic. All right, that's part 1. Now come back for part 2. We're gonna do a quick and easy dirty rice using Zatarains for our side dish for our Raging Cajun chicken. Well, I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.